to the division. Suppose we are asked to divide 810 by 2. How do we do this? 810 divided by 2, right? And this 2 is the divisor, this is the dividend, and whatever answer here we put, that is the quotient, right? Right. 2. Firstly, see the first number, 8. Does 8 come in 2 table? Of course it does. So 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Now the next number is 1. Does 1 come in 2 table? No. So that doesn't mean you get the 0 also now. So what you do is 2 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 will give you 0. So 1 minus 0, 1. This is where generally children get confused. Okay. So when this number is there, you have to put the 0. Now the 0 comes. Now this is 10. So now does 10 come in 2 table? Of course it does. That is 2 5s are 10. So here the quotient is 405 and the remainder is 0. That means 810 is completely divisible by 2. Now how we write the answer for this question is 810 divided by 2 is equal to 405. On to the decimal calculations in division. Suppose you have a number this way, 365.35 divided by 5. How would you do this? 365.35 divided by 5. Right? If this number is given 365.35 divided by 5, how would we do? First number 3. Does 3 come in 5 table? No. So anything lesser than 3? Not possible. So we take the 2 digits. 36. Now some number comes. What is the number which comes lesser than 36? Yes, 5 7s are 35. Right? And here you have to subtract. 6 minus 5, 1. Here comes 5. Now, in 5 table, do we have 15? Yes, 5 3s are 15. Right? And now, we have to get the 3 down. But there is a decimal here. So, before you take the number after the decimal point, you need to pay the penalty here. You have to put the decimal, then only you can bring the number down. Now 3. Now is there any number 3 in 5 table? The minimum number is 5. So what do we do is 5 zeros are 0. Right? So 3 minus 0 will give you 3. Now comes 5. Now what is this? 35. 5 7s are 35. Right? So the remainder is 0. That means 365.35 is completely divisible by 5. And how you write the answer is 365.35 divided by 5 is 73.07. Is it clear? And here in the previous video I had told about addition and subtraction, and I would like to add up something about subtraction which I had forgotten to do in the previous video. Suppose you are given this way, subtract 36.35 from 100. Suppose it is given this way. Now the confusion is, here we have decimal, right? There is no decimal. How to go about it? I will tell you. 100 is nothing but 100.00. Any number of zeros you can add after point, and it is according to the necessity that we are putting 2 zeros because there are 2 numbers. If there are 3 numbers, you put any number of zeros. It doesn't have any value. Actually, any number, if you take 7 is nothing but 7.0. Right? Now, as I told you, point below the point. 3, 5. And this side again. 6, 3. Suppose this is vacant. It might cause confusion. You can put a 0 for your convenience. Right? Now there are so many zeros. Now we have to go the same way. This knocks at its door. No, nothing is there. Again knock at this door. Nothing is there. Knock at this door. Nothing is there. So 1 is a millionaire. He gives the money. So 1 gives the money. He becomes 0. And this becomes 10. And now he knocked at the door. So he gets 10. And this becomes 9. And now this becomes 10. This becomes 9. And again this becomes 10. This becomes 9. Remember, the final data only you should keep in your mind. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 0 minus 0, 0. So the answer is 63.65. If you have any thing that you need clarification, you can comment in the comment box. I will try to prepare a video on this. In the next video, I might be preparing about the LCM, HCF, and I have further plans of making videos for 8th, 9th and 10th mathematics. If you have any clarifications, do let us know. And then these basics are very, very necessary. When we go for higher calculations, it's a must that we should have a strong foundation, and that is what I am trying to do. So your opinions are most welcome. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.